Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take glutamine and creatine. Glutamine is an amino acid vital for immune health and gut integrity, while creatine is known for boosting strength and power during workouts. Both play key roles in muscle recovery and overall athletic performance, making them popular choices for many fitness enthusiasts. Understanding their individual benefits helps optimize your supplement strategy. For creatine, consider a loading phase of 20 grams daily for 5 to 7 days, split into 4 5-gram doses. After loading, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day is usually sufficient. It's often recommended to take creatine with a meal containing carbohydrates to enhance its absorption into your muscles. Consistency is more important than timing for long-term benefits. When taking glutamine, a common dosage is 5 to 10 grams per day. Many people find it beneficial to take glutamine immediately after their workout to support muscle recovery and reduce soreness. It can also be taken before bed to aid in overnight recovery processes. Glutamine is versatile and can be mixed easily with water or your post-workout shake. Yes, you can absolutely take glutamine and creatine together. They complement each other well for recovery and performance. Always prioritize staying well hydrated, especially when supplementing with creatine, as it draws water into your muscles. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Consistency and proper nutrition are key to maximizing your results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.